Hi, yoga buddies! Today we're going to boost your agility with super fun yoga moves that help you jump, twist, and play with confidence. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Yoga with Jade and Mel. Are you ready? Let's go! Stand tall with legs wide apart and arms stretched out to the sides, forming a big star shape. Body stays upright and stable. Stand with feet wide apart, toes turned out. Bend knees deeply. Bring arms up with elbows bent at shoulder level. Strong and grounded. Front knee bent, back leg straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Stand with legs wide. Reach one hand down to the shin while the other arm extends straight up, chest open to the side. Alternate sides, left and right. Balance on one leg with the upper leg lifted behind you. One hand supports on the mat, the other reaches up, chest open. Alternate between left and right. Stand on one leg, start right leg, place the other foot on your calf or inner thigh, hands together at heart or lifted overhead. Repeat on left leg. Feet slightly wider than hips. Bend deeply into a squat, heels on the floor if possible. Hands together at chest, elbows pressing knees outward to keep the chest lifted. Sit with legs lifted in a V shape, arms reaching forward, back straight, core strong and steady. Body in a straight line from head to heels, wrists under shoulders, core engaged. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Now, let's take a peaceful break. Sit tall or lie down comfortably and take slow, soft breaths for 30 seconds. Feel your body relaxing and your mind getting calm and clear. Amazing job today! You moved with strength, balance, and lots of agility. If you had fun, remember to like this video, subscribe to Yoga with Jade and Mel, and share it with your friends so they can join the fun too. See you next time, Yoga Buddies. Namaste.